What's up guys, Austin from Billetworkz here. Today I'm going to show you how to install one of our new Alcantara shift boots. This is in a 22 WRX. Of course this is made from genuine Alcantara. We use a twin needle sewing machine with a nice automotive thread. This 22 WRX actually already has our shift boot installed. So essentially I'm just going to uninstall it and then reinstall it just to show you the process. Let's get into it. Now most vehicles will be a very similar install, but of course typically you got to remove the shift knob first. Then for this Subaru, you just grab the trim, the entire boot and trim comes right out together. This setup has 4 Phillips head screws. Now that I have those screws out, next step is popping these tabs out of the black piece. Now there are little fingers in there holding it in, so I'm just going to take a small flathead screwdriver. Now this exposes the boot that's mounted directly on the silver piece here. So then you would just remove the factory boot from this by sliding it off of the trim. So now you have this by itself. So I'm going to line the holes up. I'm going to match the orientation here. And you can start in whatever corner you want. Now I have our boot installed. You can see it's installed over all of the clips here. Now I'm just going to reinstall it back onto this piece here. I'll snap that back into place. And then doing everything in reverse. So as you can see, super easy install. The Alcantara boot gives a really nice, clean look. The red stitching matches the seats extremely well. Next install is the e-brake boot, so we'll see you next time.